Good evening, Facebook. This is Sharon with baking. Welcome to class tonight. And I mentioned that we're going to have a special guest on this evening, and she is here. We have Miss Yamani, and she is going to introduce herself.
Again, I'm Yamani. I attend University of Florida. My major is biology pre-dentistry, and I'm from Jacksonville.
Welcome, Yamani. Help me give her a round of applause. Thank you for being with me tonight on Yamani. I have known Yamani since 7 years ago. How old were you? She was younger when I left Jacksonville. So it was so good to see her when I learned that she moved here to Gainesville to go to school at the University of Florida. So glad to have you, Yamani. And actually, I'm going to put Yamani in the driving seat tonight. So she'll be actually baking the cheesecake on tonight. I'm just going to be giving her instructions behind the scene. So tonight we will be baking a cheesecake from scratch. And at the end of the session, I'm going to log off. And then I'm going to come back on because we're having a breakfast tomorrow at work. And I have to make some sausage gravy. So I'm going to make some sausage gravy after this session is over. I'll log off and then I'll come back on. So if you want to join at that time, you can join for that as well. And please share, let your friends know that we're online. You can share now. You can also share after the presentation is over. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to have Yamani stand right here. Baking a cheesecake. There are a lot of elements to baking a cheesecake, so that's why we're only doing one dessert on tonight. And we have to prepare the pan, prepare the crust, and then prepare the filling, and then the topping for the cheesecake. So we're going to go ahead and start preparing the pan. And to bake a cheesecake, you need to have a spring-form pan. And it's like, okay, what's wrong with this pan here? The bottom is out. But this is what you call a spring-form pan. And hi, Aunt Pearl. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Karen. And with the spring-form pan, you actually put it in. Don't do that. We'll put it back on the surface and we'll show you how it's done. So we want to go ahead and prepare the spring-form pan. We're actually going to line the bottom of the pan with foil, and then we're going to put it on the inside and lock it, and then we're going to cover the entire pan with foil. So whenever we bake the cheesecake filling, the drippings will fall to the bottom of the oven to prevent the drippings from falling to the bottom of the oven. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We have the foil here. You're just going to take a small piece. This right here. And we're just going to cover the bottom of the spring-form pan. And actually, if you just put it on the surface, I want to make sure you all can see that. The pointer, she's Vanna. If you put it on the surface of the counter, you want to put the top of the pan over. You can sort of feel when the bottom of the pan is in place. Then you want to lock it. See here? It's locked now. So we're going to go ahead and fold this under. Now we're going to cover the entire pan with foil. So we're going to take a bigger piece of foil, put the pan on top, then we're going to sort of roll it around. Again, we're doing this to prevent the drippings from falling to the bottom of the oven whenever we bake for the filling. So you can leave it a little loose, so if you want to tighten it a little bit, it's fine. So now we have the entire pan covered with foil. So we're going to set this aside for a little bit. And now we're going to make the crust. I'm going to let Yamani make the crust. So we have all the ingredients here. So the first thing we're going to do, if you open that Yamani, we're going to put in 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. We're going to pour that in. We're also going to add a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Let's see who's online. Hi, Lee. Hi, Edeboon, Oren. And also going to add 3 tablespoons of regular sugar. And we're going to add, I forgot to take my butter out, so we're going to put the butter in the microwave to soften it up. But we're going to add, 3 tablespoons of butter. Ouch. Ugh. Wow, that was hard. And you mind if you can get a spoon from over there?
Is this my spoon?
A wooden spoon.
This one has holes in it.
That's fine. That's fine. So we put the butter in the microwave for a minute or so it'll soften up. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter to the mixture, and we're going to mix it together. And then we're going to take the mix and we're going to press it to the bottom of the pan. All right, so that's pretty good. So you want to take about half of this, Yamani?
Okay.
Let's take this half here. Okay, now mix that all together. And I hope you all have had a good day on today. We had a good church service on today. And you all may have saw earlier where we were out at the fairgrounds on last night. Myself and 2 of my great nieces, Alexis and Aubrey, and we were asking for donations for the foundation. And they did an excellent job, a wonderful job in raising money for the foundation. And I just wanted to give a shout out to them. Kudos, Alexis and Aubrey, and thank you all so much for your help. So try to stir a little bit more.
Make
So,
sure everything's in it.
You want to make sure the butter and everything is mixed well with the crumbs and the sugar. You can go fast. And sometimes you might have to put your hands in it. So let's see who all we have online again. Hi, Kathy. Hi, John. Hi, Philip. Hi, Edeboon, number 2. Hi, Teresa, Karen. All right, so we're gonna sort of speed up the process a little bit. We're gonna put our hands in it. Let me wash my hands so we can make sure. You wanna wash your hands?
Yes.
Use this right here. You can dry it down there. Okay. So we're gonna massage this with our hands. I'm gonna let Yamani do it. We may need to put a little bit more butter in there.
Yes. Okay, so just
Just do it like that. Just add the butter. It's nothing like putting your hand in a lot of butter. Now I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 400. And once we get the crumbs at the bottom of the pan, the crust, we need to let it bake for 10 minutes. And while that is baking, then we're gonna start on the filling for the cheesecake.
Keep mixing it.
Keep mixing it. A little bit more. Can you feel the butter?
Yes.
Okay. I mix it a little bit more. Does it feel like it's mixed really well? Okay.
Yes. The butter kind of butter.
Okay, so now we're gonna pour the crust into the bottom of the pan. Go ahead. Just dump it all in. Okay, it's gonna move this out your way. Okay, now what she's going to do, you're gonna press to the bottom. So if you press into the bottom, we're gonna sort of press on the side so the crust will fill the bottom and probably halfway up the side of the pan. So press a little bit harder. So spread it out a little bit more. Yeah, doing good. Hi, Richard. Hi, Candace. You mind?